Marius, President of International Judo Federation, dear Dragoslav, Minister of Sport of Montenegro, dear Shalva, Minister of Georgia, Sport Minister, dear Executive Member of European Judo Union, ladies and gentlemen, dear distinguished guests, dear Judo family, the President of many national federations, it's a great pleasure for me to welcome you in celebration of Gala Dinner 2025 European Championships in Montenegro. First of all, I would like special thanks to our leader and President Marius, who started this development program 20 years ago, and we are very proud that we can continue it, this grow to European Judo Union and strongest European Judo Union. 3 years ago, we was a dream. We was a dream that in this beautiful country, we try to organize a big event. And now this dream come true. We are here over the half time of the European Championships here in Podgorica, and this is a great result for us. 47 countries participate of this event. I would like special thanks all of you, special thanks of the government of Montenegro, special thanks for the Montenegrin Judo Federation, and special for the leader and president, dear Jovica, for your support and activity. It's a really, for us, very, very huge celebration together. Thank you very much, all of you who will support our idea, and sometimes this dream comes true. I wish you enjoy this evening. Thank you very much one more time.